In today's episode, we begin with $5. We blew, but we ended up at $600. This was a ride with lessons, losses, and big wins. If you want to learn from my journey or flip accounts, this video is for you. I'm also giving away $50 to 3 lucky people and revealing last week's giveaway winners.
Money laughing.
Yeah. Show us. He says the what?
It's the money laughing.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working with a $5 account. Yeah, just $5 in my account. And I'm trying to trade this WelTrade account all the way to $100. I'm giving all the updates to the Telegram group. So make sure that you're in the Telegram group to not miss any of these updates as I flip these small accounts with you. So this is a live account. I'm showing you guys so you are satisfied. This is a live account. And I'm confident I can manage to grow this account to $100. So right now I got in for sales full margin on FX Vol 60. And we are expecting the market to go down. So I usually love closing my earlier positions just after a small drop. So if the market is to retrace to my entry zone, I can get in with extra margin. Right now we are currently floating $8 within minutes. Within a minute we are already floating $8, $9. And my goal right now is to grow this account to $20, $23, $25 around there, so I can have another full margin, so I can grow my account to $80 and hopefully we reach our $100 goal. So usually I give myself targets like I'm trying to grow this account to $100, but I end up growing it to maybe $200 or $300, which is crazy. So right now we'll just go ahead and actually close some of the positions while at the same time leaving space for the positions to run. Right now I'm very confident, and if you guys can see, the market is dropping to our take profit zone. So if you guys want a breakdown, I'll just go ahead and actually give you guys a trade breakdown on the pair that we are holding right now. These are the positions that I've closed so far, and these are the positions that I'm holding right now. It's not so complicated, but if you just allow yourself to be precise, if you allow yourself to master the skill, you can do these crazy flips that I do over here. So I'm going to show you guys where I'm expecting the market to go. I'm expecting the market to trade all the way down to this bottom of the channel, and at the same time I'm expecting the market to break this trend line that we are making right now. I'll just highlight the trend line for you guys. I'm expecting the market to break this trend line. After breaking the trend line, we sell all the way to that zone. So this is a selling wedge that we are making. I'm not really trading trend lines exactly, but I use trend lines to see where my liquidity points are. And if you guys can see, our entries are crazy. So we have managed to grow our $5 account. Right now we actually are at $20, and it's a live account right on WelTrade. We'll just continue to hold with you guys. I'll just hold so that you guys can actually see that the market will actually drop all the way to our take profit zone. So right now let's hold, but I'm telling you guys, if you allow trading to actually change your life, it will change your life, because at the end of the day all you need is a skill, and the skill is what I'm giving to you right now for free. So right now, if you guys can see, the market keeps dropping and dropping, and we are going to tap. Oh no, that's a nice drop. We are going to our red line. So this our account is actually floating crazy profits. Right now we are now at $23, and I'm now looking to start closing my positions because we have reached the target that we wanted to reach in the beginning. So right now my target was $20, but we are up around $24. So I'll just go ahead and actually close some of the positions as I wait to see if the market actually gets to my red line or not. But I'm very confident it will get to my red line. But at the same time, I feel like closing my positions, and that's what I'll just go ahead and do. And I'll give you guys a trade update when I get into another trade. But in trading, sometimes you have to be patient. Sometimes you aim for a certain amount, but you get more. In this scenario, I was estimating by the red line, I'm up around $24, but we're already up $24. So I'll just wait for the market to respect my setup. But if you guys can see, the market went down, then retraced higher. So now I'm expecting the market to actually have a crazier drop. But I'm just expecting the market to drop all the way to my red line before I can start looking for more selling opportunities. So right now, I'll just close some positions since the market is now retracing as we start looking for more opportunities on the other pairs. But we have managed to grow our account to the target that we wanted to grow it to. So I'll just let this one position run and we'll see if it actually gets all the way to our red line. And if it doesn't, I won't have an option but to close, but we have already reached the target that we're aiming for. So right now I'll just continue holding and I'll just see what the market is doing. But make sure that you guys are in the Telegram group, and if you're still watching at this point, make sure you like the video and you leave a comment. And the giveaway winners from last week, you're about to be announced just now. I'll go ahead and close all my positions and I'll give you guys a trade update on the next trade. For more buy positions, we had a good market structure shift. So now I'm actually expecting this pair to be buying, and I'll just add more position. We managed to deposit more money into this account, and right now we are just waiting for the market to actually give us that buy move that will make us reach our target. So the first account blew, but it's part of the process. It's part of trading. The first account blew, but we won't give up. We'll continue. I'm giving all these updates to the Telegram group, so make sure you're using the first link in the description to join the Telegram group. And I'm realizing that I might have been wrong and the market is actually bullish. So right now I'll just get in for my buys and I'll give you guys a trade update when the market has given us some displacement. As you guys can see, we had no sort of drawdown or whatsoever. The market just shot up in our direction, and right now our account is at $83 from $17, guys. I had to refund $17, but we then just got a sniper entry into profits. So right now I'll just continue holding, but this is our trade setup. Our take profit now changes from $100 to around $120, but I might continue holding. We are now already at $90. So with a good setup, with a good risk management plan, you can actually grow your small accounts into these big accounts. We took a loss earlier, but we've managed to recover all the loss that we took, and right now we are actually up in deep blues. I'm giving the Telegram group all these updates, so make sure that you're in the Telegram group and make sure that you actually are subscribed to the channel. I'm actually expecting the market to buy all the way to this zone. So now I'll just show you guys why I'm doing so. And if you guys can see, our last 5-minute candle gave us a good market structure shift. So I'm actually expecting the market to be buying to the upside more. And the Telegram group, I'll just make sure that I give them a screenshot with this setup. There we go. We've just given the Telegram group the setup, and on our setup we are currently floating profits. So I'll just continue holding and I'll give you guys a trade update once the market has given us the displacement that we are waiting for. Yo, this is crazy, guys. This is the kind of movement that we expect from the market. Yes, their first account blew, but we had a major comeback. I'll just continue holding, but if you guys can see, we are currently floating $65 in profits, and our target is actually $120. But I know that the market might even do way more than our target does. I won't be closing my positions right now, but I know that we are making crazy profits today. We just hit the $100 mark, guys. We just hit the $100 mark, and we are still holding. We'll continue holding, and I'll give you guys a trade update when the market has reached our target. If I have to close, I'll tell you guys when I'm closing.
Give me my money. Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait? I love you, Seigneur. Jesus. Oh my God. Give me my money. My money. Oh Jesus. My Lord.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. So we are currently floating $133. That's our equity, and our profit that we are making so far is $114 from our $17 account. At first this was a $5 account that we grew to $20, then it blew, then I refunded $17, and now we are floating $133 in profits. So this is how we trade small accounts. This is how you trade small accounts. Sometimes you blow, it will be a minor setback for a major comeback. So right now we are floating $135, and this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. So you guys, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, you're in the Telegram group. Maybe I'll do one last trade from the amount that we are at right now to flip the account to maybe $300. I don't know, but I'm very confident our setup is going in our direction. for now, I'll just go ahead and actually close all my positions because I'm happy with where we took the account. This is where I was expecting to take the account, but this was some good crazy movement. So, trade update. So right now we're currently floating $162 in profit, and our target is about $200 now. So just wait and I'll give you guys a trade update once we are at our profit target. You guys won't believe where we managed to take the account. Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy. This was a good trade. This was a sniper entry. So I'll just go ahead and actually close all my positions. This was a sniper entry. This was a good trade. This was a good trade. We managed to grow this account from $17 to $236 in one single trade. And I took this trade right here with you guys. So right now, I'll just look for one more setup. Welcome back, guys. I just got in for a trade. I couldn't miss this setup. It was so good looking that I actually went in with proper lots. So here we go, guys. I'm trying to grow this account now to maybe $600, maybe $500, definitely $500, but to maybe $700, or to even maybe $1,000, because I'm confident in this setup. So if you guys can see, the market is bullish right now, and we are just in slight profits, just about $40 profits, but I'm still very confident in this trade. I'm still very confident that trade is going to be going all the way to our take profit. So I know that you guys are still waiting for the last giveaway winners. Watch to the end of the video. I'll be announcing the 3 giveaway winners from the last week's video. So in today's episode, I might just be giving away $100 to one lucky winner. So in order to win that $100, you have to leave a comment, and then you have to like the video, and then you have to be subscribed. Then you just send me a screenshot, then I'll raffle again and see who's winning in today's episode. So right now the market is moving just a bit slow, but we are still happy with the movement that we have. I'm expecting the market to definitely go to the red line, but I need to see the market even going above the red line. I'm okay with the market going to the red line, but I know it will definitely go above it. So right now we just hold, and the market is showing us crazy displacement towards the buy side. So I'll give you guys a trade update once we are in a bit of profits or in a bit of loss. I don't know where we'll be, but I'll just give the market time to move, and I'll come back here and give you guys a trade update. But for now, I want you guys to know that trading isn't about luck. It's never about luck. It's about you having a proper plan, having a proper trading plan, and you actually executing based on what your setup tells you to do. If you are not in the Telegram group, then you are missing out. I want you to click the first link that's in the description, and I want you to go to the Telegram group and see I've been sharing these trades in the Telegram group as I make the video. Whenever we have a winning setup, I update them. That setup we took, go to our take profit. This is how I want you guys to also be winning. So if you don't want to miss on any of these setups that I take here on YouTube with you guys, make sure that you're in the Telegram group. Right now we're currently floating around $60, $64, and I'm still expecting the market to give us one last big push to the upside before I can actually be satisfied with this account. And at the end of the day, I'm doing this for YouTube. I want to motivate you guys. I want you guys to know that it's also possible. It's also doable. If you put in the work, if you just focus on the skill, it's possible to do these crazy things that we're doing over here. So this is a retracement. I could really use this to re-enter, but I just rather wait, and I'll give you guys a trade update. All right, welcome back, guys. We are up money. We are up $100 on our $250 account. And you guys remember, this account started at $5. It was just $5 that we had in this account. You know, this is just crazy. Look at the market, a nice big push upwards. We went to the red zone that I was telling you guys about, and I'm still expecting the market to go further upwards. So right now, I'll just show you guys what I'm looking at and what I'm expecting the markets to do. But so far, this is just crazy movement. I'm expecting the market to actually now go all the way to that arrow. Where the arrow is ending, I'm expecting the market to go all the way to that zone. So I'll just keep holding. But this is what happens when you have a proper trading strategy that you believe in, that works. You can even risk your account. In this scenario, I didn't really go full margin. I was risking about $50, but we are already up $130. So I'm still expecting the market to go further upwards, and then I will actually be in a position to now take profits and end off this video. It's been fun giving you guys updates of these trades, sometimes going into reds, and I'm still showing you guys here's where we are right now. And yo, this is crazy. So I'll just continue holding and I'll just give you guys a trade update when we reach our target. We are now up around $190, which is so crazy considering that we got into this trade a few minutes ago. So for now, I'll just continue holding and I'll just give you guys an update, but we'll start looking at taking our profits around $500, $600. So I'll just wait for one last final push and I'll come back here to give you guys a trade update.
I said I won't be no denying. They always say congratulations. Work so hard to vacation.
Alright, I opened the charts to a crazy movement in our direction, and you guys won't believe where the account is right now. The account is currently floating in some deep blues, some massive profits. We are now around our take profit zone, but I still have faith and hope that the market is still pushing higher. I'm just about to take my profits. We have now reached the zone that we are supposed to be taking profits. So right now, I'll just see if we are continuing upwards or if we are actually heading for reversal. But this is the zone that I want to be taking all my profits in. So right now, I'll just see what happens, what movement we have in this fair value gap that we are trading in right now. We are trading in a 5-minute fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap. So I want to see if the market will start retracing from here or not, but we are currently up all the way to $600. It's guaranteed that we are closing profits now. We are so happy with where we took the account, and I want you guys to be able to trade like this too. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys the giveaway winners from last week's video. They are right on the screen over there. So make sure that you send me a message. You have won yourself $200 from last week's video. We are having a minor retracement on our trade, so I think this calls for us to close our trade. But I want you guys to also be this consistent. I want you guys to also be trading the markets the way I trade. So make sure you're in the Telegram group. There are big things coming.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.